guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word Dusha, or soul. The only way to make simple words like this one sound Russian is to use a good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Here we go. Jaw, tongue, lips. Du. Du. Make sure your lips are actually sticking out way further than they normally are, so you get a real Russian U. Jaw, tongue, lips. Du. Du. Not do, where the tip of the tongue makes contact with the roof of your mouth and you get a buzzing sound, but where the part of your tongue behind the tip is what makes contact with the roof of your mouth. Here we go. Jaw, tongue, lips. Du. Du. The tongue comes away from the teeth for the second syllable. The tip curves up, but the rest of the tongue is low. Sha. Sha. Let's put it all together. Jaw, tongue, lips. Душа. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!